I'm very sad because I'm leaving my home. I'm leaving my parents. And I want to cry.
But don't be so sad.
Why
I know
not?
last time you was crying about your papa home. They will get married then.
No, that's why I want to cry again.
But don't cry. I know. I have plenty of food.
Look at my eyes. Can you see my eyes?
Looks like they're full of tears.
Yeah.
Don't cry. Don't cry, Mom. That will be okay.
I miss my home.
Don't be like a little kid. Don't be like a little kid, Mom.